Hello, this is Mugdha. I'm from ASPAM Indian International School. Saturday coming to school is a big tough task for us, and then we came to know for this financial literacy program from KFI Global. Being a business student, I felt that I know so much about money. I handle my money, but yeah, it was a myth, well busted by the way. And I'm very happy. I learned so many new terms today, so many new techniques of investing, and so much more about money. My money is important for me. This is what I'm taking back from this session. Definitely, I would like to learn more about investment. I mean, I want to have more such sessions, and definitely I will recommend this to everyone whom I know, small, elderly people or friends, wives, everybody. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Shobha Chauhan and I am a teacher at ASPAM IAS School. Today we attended the KFI program, global program, and it was least expected on a Saturday morning, but then the PD was very wonderful and it was very interactive. We learned a lot about many things regarding money, and this was the least interesting topic for me till now. But now, as ma'am told, and it has opened our eyes, and surely I'll recommend this program to all my friends and my family members, and it will benefit them a lot.
Hi, I'm Ms. Vrunda. I'm from ASPAM Indian International School. Today I had a wonderful session from KFI. It was an interactive session. Least expectation from the program, but then I was really bowled over because basically I've been a person working for 25 years, doesn't know anything about money, but I really understood after the session. This is a topic which I usually avoid for any discussion. I have a grown-up daughter also. I think today itself I need to make a conference call with my husband and my daughter. We need to sit together and we need to indulge in such a meaningful conversation about money. I think as a working person, everyone should be educated, and I recommend this program for everyone. Thank you for a wonderful session.
Hi, I'm Harish. I'm a teacher at ASPAM IAS International School. And today morning we got a class from KFI Global. And it was a financial literacy class, and I was the least interested for that. But really after the class, it didn't feel like a financial literacy class, and it was a fun-filled and very interactive session. Thanks for KFI Global and Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring the event. Thank you.
I'm an art teacher in ASPAM IAS. Today I attended the KFI Global program, and it was so amazing. One of the things I was already using, and I will keep using it, is the 50-30-20 rule, which is 50 is like it's your needs, you spend your needs, and 30 is your wants, and 20 is your savings. And this really helped me in my income and helped me in my future, and I'll keep using it. This is all I learned today, and I learned a lot of stuff, but I really loved it, and I really recommend it for a lot of people, and good luck in everything.